Hello guys, good morning. I just went to buy grocery. What I need to cook for today is chicken tinola. I'm always busy, that's why very seldom I upload any video or photo. I'm busy at school and at work. But I try to upload even once a day, but not like before. It's hard to be a working student. Hard to do same time studying and working. But by the grace of God, I can do all things through Christ. I just went to school. My employer don't have work today. I think his day off. So I was able to go out this morning because there is somebody who look after the alaga. I'm here inside the building already. The weather is not too hot. Very hot. It's not too hot anymore. It's down. The temperature goes down. Bye guys. Happy Wednesday everyone.